Chapter 11 Constructions. Construction 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. This construction deals with dividing a line segment of given length internally in a given ratio. In this question, draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm. So the first step is to draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm. Draw AB is equal to 7.6 cm. And divide it in the ratio 5:8. So the needed ratio is 5:8, that is a total of 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. The next step is to draw an acute angle BAX. The third step, on ray AX, we have to mark 13 arcs at equal distances. So any convenient radius you can mark 13 equal distant arcs. The 13th arc you can mark it as C13, and through the 5th arc we have to draw a line parallel to C13B. So mark C5 also. Join C13B. We need to draw a line parallel to C13B through C5. So follow the steps. With C13 as radius and any comfortable radius, you can mark an arc, can cut an arc. The same measure with C5 as center, cut the arc, and now with this measure you will cut an arc like this, which gives the concept of corresponding angles. And now before drawing the parallel line, we have to make sure that the line is parallel to C13B. If you follow this step, the line will be exactly parallel. Mark it as the point P. That is, C5P is parallel to C13B and P will divide the line segment AB in the ratio 5:8. So once again, draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Let's measure the parts. AP measures 3 cm and PB is 4.6 cm. Let's write the steps of construction. The first step, draw AB is equal to 7.6 centimeter. Second step, draw an acute angle BAX. Third step, on ray AX, cut 13 arcs at equal distances. Step 4, join C13B. Step 5, construct C5P parallel C13B to meet AB at P. Step 6, therefore, AP is to PB is equal to 5 is to 8. Step 7, AP is equal to 3 centimeter and PB is equal to 4.6 centimeter. So this is construction 1 to divide a line segment of given length internally in a given ratio. Construction 2, to draw a pair of tangents from an external point. This question is from exercise 11.2, question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. So the first step is to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Draw circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. So we plot the center of the circle as O from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. That means with OP length as 10 centimeter, let's draw a line segment. We have to construct two tangents from this external point P. The first step is to construct the perpendicular bisector of OP. For that, with O as center and a radius more than half the length of OP, cut two arcs with the same measure with P as center. You can cut the arcs will meet. Join this perpendicular bisector will meet OP at the point M. At the point M. The next step, with M as center and radius equal to MP, with M as center, radius equal to MP, draw another circle which will definitely pass through O as well as intersecting the given circle at 2 points Q and R. Join PQ and PR which will be the required tangents. So let's write the steps of construction. Steps. Number 1, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Step 2, take a point P such that OP is equal to 10 centimeter. Step 3, construct the perpendicular bisector of OP to meet it at M, which means OP at M. The next step, with M as center and radius equal to MP, draw a circle which intersects the given circle at Q and R. Number 5, join PQ, PR, which are the required tangents. The question is, and measure the length of the tangents. Let's measure the tangents and get a relation. You already know the theorem. The tangents will be of equal length. So the tangents, the measure is 8 centimeter. You can mention that here. PQ is equal to, let's check PR also. PR measure is also 8 centimeter. PQ is equal to, PR is equal to 8 centimeter. That is construction 2 from exercise 11.2, question number 1. Construction 3 from exercise 11.2, question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure the length. That means you have to draw two circles, one of radius 4 centimeter, another circle of radius 6 centimeter at the same time. They are concentric circles. What are concentric circles? Circles with the same center. So the first step, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. Let's plot the center as O. The question says that construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 from a point on a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. That means the point P lies on the circle with radius 6 centimeter. Let's take the point as P. Join OP. The length of OP is 6 centimeter. The procedure as the previous problem, construct the perpendicular bisector of OP. For that, with center of at O and radius more than the length of OP, cut two arcs, P as center, and when you join these two arcs, it will give the perpendicular bisector of OP. Which will meet OP at the point M with M as center and radius equal to MP. Draw another circle which definitely pass through O and meet the circle of radius 4 centimeter at 2 points Q and R. Join PQ and PR, which will be the required tangents. Let's write the steps. First step, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Second step, draw a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and take a point P on it. Step 3, join OP. Step 4, construct the perpendicular bisector of OP. To meet it at M. Step 5, with M as center and radius equal to MP, draw a circle which meets the circle of radius 4 centimeter at Q and R. Number 6, join PQ, PR, which are the required tangents. The question is to measure the length. Let's see the measure of PQ and PR. PQ measure is 4.5. PR measure is also 4.5. We can make a note here. PQ is equal to PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Construction 4. Exercise 11.2, question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to these circle from these 2 points P and Q. The method is the same. The first step, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter such that the distance is 7 centimeter. Let's mark it as O. Now, we have to extend the diameter. That means both the points are at distance of 7 centimeter. The points are P and Q. That means the length OP is also 7 centimeter. Length OQ is also 7 centimeter. We have to draw the tangents from both the sides. As the first question says, the first is the perpendicular bisector of OP Similarly, this side also let me plot of OQ let the perpendicular bisector OP meet the point at M and this perpendicular bisector meet OQ at N. Let's name it as M and N. With M as center and MP radius, we'll draw a circle which will definitely pass through O as well as intersecting the given circle at the points R and S. The first set of tangents PR second tangent PS similarly onto this side with N as center and NQ radius. The two will pass through the center O. The points you can plot it as T U. The tangents are QT and QU. Steps, you can follow the same pattern. Let's write the tangents. Tangents from P are PR, PS, and tangents from Q are QT, QU. Steps of construction you can write the same way as we have done in question number